How to install the LinkedIn Ads signal tag on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to install the insight tag of your LinkedIn Ads of your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. You need at least a LinkedIn account and also or a LinkedIn Ads account. That means that you need a page on LinkedIn and also a Wix website. So we are going to head first to our Wix website, and then what we're going to do next is to head over the settings. So I click on settings, and then we can go ahead and head over the last part here of the settings. Click on custom code. We're going to add a code. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on add a custom code. Here in my case, I haven't upgraded my plan to the premium one. So you need to upgrade your plan to the premium, so it is going to give you the blue button here to add the code. Doesn't matter a lot, so we are going to head over the account tag or the LinkedIn Ads account. We're going to be on this page. As you can see, I do not have a LinkedIn Ads account, but I have some screenshots. You can go ahead and head over your account ads. Then you're going to head over the analyze. You're going to click on it and it is going to drop down a menu. Click from the menu Signal Manager. So from here, click on Create Insight Tag, and then you're going to be having this. So what we're going to do next is going to be very easy. You're going to head over the, as you can see here, the Insight Tag. We're going to click on this. It is going to be unverified. Click on it. And then it is going to show you a little menu. So you're going to have some steps. You only need to click on this check mark or the green check mark. I will install the tag myself. Click on the copy to clipboard here and install it right there. And then you're going to save and everything is cool. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.